Hello, students. I am Naza and I have a 1 year experience in teaching students. I specialize in teaching science and explaining the difficult concepts of science in simple ideas. We know that science is not a subject to get memorized, it is a subject to understand. We know many people who face difficulty in science due to concepts, due to anything else. The reason is simple that they have not understood the concepts of science since from the beginning. They just have memorized. Dear students, science is not a subject to get memorized. It's a subject to get understand. So book a demo class with me and together we will make this journey beautiful and I will give my 100% best to teach you science in a very simple manner, and I will make sure that you will understand the concept with very much ease. Thank you so much for your time.